Make the perfect morning cup of coffee with this DeLonghi Nescafe Dolce Gusto Genio single-serve coffee maker and espresso machine. The Genio is a professional-grade pressure-based system that allows you to squeeze the most flavor, aroma, and body from the coffee to deliver a high-quality cup every time, and is exclusively for Nescafe Dolce Gusto capsules. It features a user-friendly interface with adjustable features, making it the perfect go-to-morning cup maker that offers the optimal coffee-making experience. This coffee machine boasts numerous state-of-the-art features: a new wheel interface, a 7-level LED display that helps control beverage strength, so you can customize the drink's flavor the way you want it, and a flow-stop system that automatically shuts off once the bars indicated have been brewed. It has a thermoblock heating system that controls and balances the coffee's temperature to keep its freshly brewed flavor. No preheating is required. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The professional-grade 15-bar automatic pressure regulator helps produce custom coffee and frothy milk, so you can create an aromatic cup of coffee filled with aroma, flavor, and warmth. The Genio's dishwasher-safe drip tray is height adjustable, so you can fill any size cup or glass directly from the spout. The 120-volt coffee maker has an energy-saving automatic standby mode that switches on after being idle for 5 minutes. Pop a pod of Nescafe Dolce Gusto and create a hot cup of cappuccino. Or if you prefer, make a tall glass of iced coffee. Either way, the DeLonghi Nescafe Dolce Gusto Genio single-serve coffee maker will satisfy any coffee enthusiast's needs. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The art of brewing convenience. The convenient single-serve capsule system easily prepares 19 different Nescafe hot and cold drinks. Enjoy gourmet coffees, lattes, cappuccinos, iced drinks, and more. Number 2. Automatic pressure for the perfect cup. The 15-bar automatic pressure produces authentic espresso and the perfect crema with its powerful high-pressure pump. Number 3. Customize every cup. The flow-stop system with an innovative 7-level LED lets you customize beverage strength to suit all tastes. Number 4. No preheating necessary. The thermoblock heating technology with adjustable temperature controls saves you time, with no preheating required. Number 5. Energy efficient, energy-saving automatic standby mode after 5 minutes of inactivity. Number 6. Smart capsules. The Nescafe Dolce Gusto pods automatically regulate the pressure needed to create a bold shot of espresso or just a delicate touch for the frothy milk in a cappuccino. The unique hot or cold settings allow you to enjoy delicious iced drinks as well. Number 7. Easy interface, boasting a new easy-to-use wheel interface with a 7-level LED display. The Genio allows you to control the size and intensity of your coffee, giving you a truly customized coffee experience. Just match the LED bars to the bars on your Dolce Gusto coffee or milk capsule and brew by selecting the hot or cold button depending on your coffee selection. Number 8. Hot and cold coffee drinks. Explore the wide variety of decadent flavors and both hot and cold coffee drinks offered by Nescafe Dolce Gusto with this capsule-based coffee machine. With 18 flavor varieties, you can make an authentic espresso or choose from Americano, Choccasino, cappuccino, macchiato, latte, and many more flavors, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.